now it's 11 o'clock on this Saturday night, January 4th, 2014, time now for the weather magician PJ Wiggins. The Late Night Report, Saturday night, January 4th, 2014. Good evening, everybody. Our calculations at 11 o'clock, 29 degrees out temperature with first skies, humidity 69%, wind speed southwest about 3 miles per barometer, 3.30 inches, 2.20 degrees, and visibility of 10 miles. Okay, let's take a look at our radar scope, and it shows a lot of snow showers. A long trail of snow showers from Quebec and northern New Brunswick and northeastern Maine, and stretching it down into eastern and southern Ontario down, and the line stretches down for southern Michigan, down for northern Indiana, down for northern Illinois, southern Iowa, down from northern Missouri, down for Kansas, down for western Oklahoma, and northern Texas Panhandle, and then northeastern New Mexico, down for southeastern Colorado. Never special snow showers in western portions of Prince Edward Island and eastern portions of Prince Edward Island. Rain and sleet pelts in northeastern Oklahoma, down for northwest portion of Arkansas, down for southern Missouri, fuel with sleet pelts mixed in south central Missouri, and down for southern Illinois, down for southwestern Indiana. Line of snow showers in central portions of Wyoming, batches of snow showers in western portions of South Dakota, and also snow showers in western portions of Montana. Ironsville, Illinois, good evening, 28 degrees with overcast skies. Okay, let's take a look at our satellite loop. Batches of clouds from western Cuba and northern eastern tip of Mexico, down for Florida, down for the southeastern states. And another batch of clouds from Atlantic Canada, down for northern New England, and down for Quebec, down in Ontario, stretching down for northwestern Pennsylvania, stretching down to the Great Lakes, and down for southern Minnesota, down for Iowa, down for Missouri, down for Arkansas and Louisiana, down for Texas, and stretching down for Oklahoma and Kansas, down for southern Nebraska, and curving down to Nova Rockies, down for southern Alberta. Batches of clouds stretching western British Columbia. Batches of clouds from Texas, stretching down to southern Arizona, New Mexico, down for southern California, stretching down into New Mexico here. Okay, let us take a look at our satellite. Take a look at temperature plot. 29 degrees of temperature right now in Boston, but it is frigid out in Minnesota, 13 below. But look at Canada, 18 below zero down in Ontario, and much below zero temperatures in extreme north central portions of Canada. It is going to be a frigid out in town. Okay, let's take a look at a map situation. Stationary front situated between southern Florida here, and cold front from western Alberta down for western Montana, down for eastern Idaho, then stationary front from Wyoming down to Nebraska here. Cold front from western Nevada, stretching down for central Arizona, down for New Mexico, and low pressure southern and eastern New Mexico and western Oklahoma, and cold front stretching from Texas, and a warm front down for northeastern Texas, down for central Louisiana, staging front from eastern Oklahoma, stretching down for Missouri, stretching down for Illinois, and a cold front down for the Michigan, cold front from northeastern Minnesota, down for UP, Michigan, down for Lake Superior, down in Ontario, and a staging front from northern Quebec, and stretching down for northern Maine here, and front of boundary stretching from central Oregon coastline down for California coastline, and the front of boundary from down for Virginia, down for the Carolinas here. And it's 26 degrees right now in temperature in Boston, 32 in Washington, D.C., 35 in Atlanta, 73 in Miami, 63 in Brownsville, 62 in Dallas, 18 in Kansas City, 30 in Chicago, 5 above in Minneapolis, 16 in Denver, 39 in Albuquerque, 23 out in Salt Lake City, Utah, 59 in Los Angeles, 61 in San Francisco, and 38 out in Seattle. High pressure center in northeastern Oregon, Utah, northeastern Montana here. Okay, national forecast discussion. Record-breaking cold expected over much of the United States and eastern United States. Storm winter mix of development surface low in most of the western United States will have quiet weather. The coldest weather years when making a presence known from the upper Midwest to the Mid-Atlantic region for the beginning of the work week. The polar vortex, a mid-upper level cyclonic feature normally present over northern Canada, will be displaced usually far to the south over the northern Great Lakes and southern Ontario, or in the deep layer of cold air mass. This will be provided for incredibly strong surgeability cold air of Arctic air along the gusty winds. The upper Midwest will be affected first by Saturday night, and the brutal conditions will continue pushing southeastward through the Valley and in the mid-south by Monday. In the northeast and in the Mid-Atlantic by Tuesday, particularly noteworthy will be the extreme wind chill nearly under the daytime highs of that forecast. Wind chill warnings are have affected many areas with wind chills on the order from 30 to 50 degrees below zero. Expected. Afternoon highs on Monday for parts of the Midwest states and the Ohio Valley will fail to reach 0 degrees. The good news is that there will be a quick event and the moderate temperatures will be expected to return by Wednesday. Ahead of the Arctic blast development, surface low along the cold front will be southern widespread snow developing from Missouri to the Ohio Valley. And in the Great Lakes, areas of persistently snowbanks may receive on the order of 6 to 12 inches of snow with local amounts winter storm warnings are in effect. As a result, a light wintry mix of freeze with drizzle and perhaps some sleet are possible from parts of the Mid-Atlantic region along the Interstate 95 corridor around to New England on Sunday as warmer air overrides colder air near the ground. A transition rain expected on I-95 corridor before the front arrives. In elsewhere, with the exception of some aircraftly and snow showers across the central and northern Rockies, the majority of the western United States can expect relatively pleasant weather conditions throughout Monday. Okay, forecast discussed for New England. High pressure offshore will bring dry weather for tonight and bring milder for Sunday and Monday. The leading edge of this milder air may create some ice in parts of western Mass and southern New Hampshire. Late Sunday night and late Sunday, a cold front will move through New England on Monday, followed by another burst of bitter cold air. Another storm may bring some snow toward the end of the week. Near team, southwesterly low level chip will provide enough mix and hold temps in the upper 20s and mid 30s. Across to the far southeast New England coast overnight elsewhere, expect low temperatures mainly in the teens, low 20s. But could see a few single digits across the distant interior where winds could decouple over time. Main and the overnight is at much milder temperatures. The mid-level but moved in the region and a lot of areas won't see that wind decouple overnight. This means a much milder night than a bitterly cold well or below zero regions observed early this morning. It's too dry for any precipitation overnight and mainly just except for a few mid and high level clouds passing over the region, except some lower clouds that perch the stuff close by daybreak. Okay. We have warmer temperatures tonight. As low temperature tonight will remain cold but nearly 20 degrees warmer than Friday night. And rain will begin falling late Sunday afternoon with the temperatures remain below freezing and highlighted area at the onset. The rainfall as freezing rain and untreated roads and sidewalks will be icy. Use caution when traveling. Okay, let's take a look at our 7-day forecast goes like this. For overnight, most of the clear skies low on 22 degrees. Southwest wind about 5 to 7 miles per hour. Sunday, a chance of rain mainly after 1 p.m. increased clouds but higher than 40 degrees. Southwest wind about 3 to 6 miles per hour with chance of precipitation of 30%. Noon precipitation amounts of less than a 10 inch possible. Sunday night, rain likely, then rain and possibly a thunderstorm after 10 p.m. Patchy fog after 10 p.m. Temperature rising to around 47 degrees by 5 a.m. Southeast wind about 5 to 8 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation is 80%. New rainfall amounts between a quarter and a half inch possible. Monday. Rain mainly before 4 p.m. Patchy fog before 2 p.m. High near 48 degrees. South wind about 10 to 13 miles per hour becoming west in the afternoon. Winds kick gusts as high as 29 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation is 8%. New precipitation amounts between 10 and 3/4 inch possible. Monday night, a chance of rain and snow showers before 8 p.m. Then a slight chance of snow showers between 8 p.m. 9 p.m. Patchy clouds got low in 30 degrees. West wind about 9 to 30 miles per hour. As high as 25 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation is 30%. Tuesday, both sides got high near 18 degrees. Tuesday night, both coast clouds on 8 degrees. Wednesday, Sunny skies high near 24 degrees. Wednesday night, podcast clouds low on 16 degrees. Thursday, a chance of snow showers. Part Sunny skies high near 33 degrees. Chance of precipitation is 30%. Thursday night, a chance of snow showers. Both skies low on 25 degrees. Chance of precipitation is 40%. Friday, both skies high near 38 degrees. Friday night, both skies low on 27 degrees. And for Saturday, part Sunny skies high near 41 degrees. Here's what a phrase of the night. A rainy and a mild day and tap for the mouth. This is PJ Wizard. Have a good night with a good pass out. I'll be seeing you tomorrow morning. Good night.